metrics, right? So like, there is no out of the box way to measure these things, because like every application that you're building is sort of slightly different from the
Yep.
use case. And so
Mhm.
you may have to write tests or custom evals to measure those things, right?
Mhm.
So what would be that development process look like? For example, let's say you're trying to build a customer support agent that making a call to
Mhm.
a ticketing platform and summarizing the activity. What are
Mhm.
some of the basic stuff one a developer needs to do to
Yeah.
get that going in the first place?
Yeah. So yeah, like I said, like if you're using a agent framework and if you're using all the components like tool calling, memory, make sure you're logging each of those components. That's
Mhm.
baseline, that's industry
Mhm.
specific, or like by industry specific, I meaning industry standard. That has
Right.
nothing to do with your specific use case. When you start building your use case with, say, for a customer agent that you said, I'm sure you're working with somebody from the marketing or the sales or whoever, which departments are. The the partnership between business side components and developers have never been this important.
Mhm.
Now that we are into like really going into this uh, open sea of non-determinism, and there could be so much negative or noisy feedback that for me as a developer without much business context, I can I can maybe feed out the junk from an initial view, but what could be junk for me may not be for the business side. That could have They could have like some internal insights that I'm missing. So working with partnership with business is your best bet to start from the start. And that's why I feel everybody I have spoken to in the financial industry side who is trying to build agentic AI systems first talks about that we have to get our stakeholders buy-in, and your stakeholder is your business counterpart. So they need to believe in that vision of what you're trying to build and how it will make their life easier. That's how you bring them in, describe the entire process, make them understand what the key risks are, and get their help to really define those key metrics.